Yeah, nice.
There. Okay, let's trace it in the air. One, two. Big circle. The small one. One and two. Okay. Okay. Who wants to write big and small circle?
You write circle.
Alexa, come on.